Literally, like one little budge can go like so far. How do you feel when you hear that sound?
I feel like I hope I don't lose this thing.
There's like so many over here. There's literally like 10 of them. I think I'm snagged already. Dude, there's one like sitting right in front of me.
I had one.
You had one? Yo, I just heard you rip. You need the net or no? Link up. Chubby carp. Dude, I gotta throw a night crawler out now with no weight.
Big boy.
Wasp. You. Oh yeah, dude, it's like definitely a necessity for shit like that.
Oh yeah, it's actually got a GoPro mid too.
Hell yeah. Yeah, they're still like coming over by the edge.
Dude, I think I got another one.
Drag ripper? Oh yeah, it looks like one.
I think I need your help again. Oh yeah. Oop, broke off, bro.
You did? Biggin? Biggins. Yeah, I'm gonna put a split shot on. What the hell is that?
Got one?
Something.
Oh, yeah,
Is it a bass? Its colors look really weird. Yeah. Dude, yeah, he's so light. Not a bad logie.
Right there, Dennis. They're right here.
Yeah, I thought that was a carp at first, but
Yeah, I did too. I thought it was a baby one.
baby carp. Yeah, I'd rather catch a carp just because it'll be like more of a fight. Another bass. Not a bad largie.
What do they call it? Bass.
Light colored largies. Blooming?
Could be.
It's like so raging, or I would.
Look at this guy. He's cool.
Cook them up.
Cook him up.
Yeah, dude, we'll get out the fillet knife, we'll get out the portable grill. Just make a sunny sandwich. You down? Got one? Oh shit, dude, he's a beast.
He hasn't put up any play yet, so he's got definitely some room to go.
Oh shit. Holy shit. Grandpa carp? Oh man, he's going into like,
He's good. He's not in any, like,
he's not to the right?
he's not in it.
Where? He's not in the thick of it?
No.
How do you feel when you hear that sound?
I feel like I hope I don't lose this thing. Coming in though.
I'm ready.
He went mad far right there.
Yeah, he took a little run and then he's like, whatever. Oh no. Come on, right into the bushel, buddy.
Out of time.
Yeah, I've been recording. Ooh. Drag ripper. Said it and then he just took off. Come on, he's like going into the fucking spillway.
Dude, he is.
I could try and go over there. Hold on, keep him over there if you could. He's coming. He's making his way downtown. Swimming fast.
Dude, there's two.
I know, did you see the other one next to him?
Yeah.
The other one was like making sure he was okay.
Beast.
Say goodbye to the boy. See you, Mr. Fart. Yeah. He's like grinding on something.
Dude, I think you have the log, no? No lie.
GoPro battery died and He's like way out there. He's like stuck in some shit. There's something on my line. I don't even think he's that big. You see him?
Yeah, he's decent. He looks pretty good. Yeah, you got him out.
Just got to take it slow with this 10-pound test. Oh, that's so funny, dude. Before, when John caught a carp, another one was like following it in, and the same thing's happening right now.
I tried to get like a scoop on both of them.
Yeah, I saw that. It was like probably really hard.
Yeah.
Sorry, dude. He's like so in the current right now. He's right by that other trail though. You see him? Right? Yeah, right in front of you. Jeez, man. Carp fight. It takes forever. Here. Oh, man.
You like dove down.
Dude, yeah, he's just like not about it. And I can't even horse him with this light line. It's not like super light, but for him, I can't really just rip him in. 10-pound T. Now he's back out in the whirlpool.
Should I come back over there?
Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
It's all good, dude.
He's not even that big either. It's just like,
I gotta walk around you.
if I could keep him like right here.
Ah, fucking fell in.
Oh, shit. All right.
Hefty?
Yeah, he's a half. He's like a strong little guy. You want to weigh him for fun?
Yeah. You got your weigher?
Yeah, let me just unhook his ass.
That's your weigher?
Dude, he wasn't even hooked that bad either. Just for fun, we'll weigh him. Thanks for the net.
Okay.
9.2, 9.3. Yeah, he's definitely up there with one of the biggers that I've caught. Yeah, just get one for the hell of it. I'm gonna slide him right in like this. All right, cool. The fight like makes you want more.
I know.
Because it's like, it really is a good fight.
So fucking fun. Thank God I brought this net. We'd be in trouble.
Dude, that would have been classic if you netted the two. Dumb carp, you're coming right back for more. All their buddies are getting caught. I guess no one's telling them what's up.
Got one.
Carpenter.
I don't know. What the hell?
There he goes. I'll try to double up for a second until you get him close, but
He's not one that's coming in at home.
dude, if we doubled up, that would actually suck. Dude, he's far out. You trying to come over here? Let me know. I'll move whenever you need me to.
He's like out of the thick of it.
Oh no!
You are linked up.
I got one. Dude, hell yeah, that's that's badass, dude. We're both.
I could win, bro. This might be like the
Yo, this guy's ripping too. Come on, man. This is actually badass. I'll still try and net him. Oh, dude, he came off.
Really? You sure?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah, he came off. It lasted quick. It was fun. Fun while it lasted. Nice carp scale on the hook. I'm just gonna tend to John now. I haven't even seen him yet.
Damn. Yo, look at him.
Dude, he's fucking
Yo,
huge.
can you go over there actually?
Yeah. Is he? Oh, dude. Oh, my bad. No worries. Where is he?
He's not giving up just yet.
Definitely the biggest one yet. Where the hell is he? Oh, we did? Yep. Fuck, dude. Damn. He was hefty.
How did he come off though?
Is the hook bent?
I don't know. Yeah. I think I like it snagged him or something.
Yeah, that was the finale. It was still sick.
Yeah. Wish I had more worms.
Well, it was fun while it lasted. The double up would have been real sick. But that's about it. It's about that. Flooded spillway, tons of carp are pushing up on the sides. Caught some bass. So yeah, it's pretty cool.